Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will tell you what is the best time to post on TikTok on Friday. So there is no direct best time to post on TikTok, no matter what the day of the week it is, because TikTok's algorithm is highly personalized, and that means that TikTok shows content to users based on their interests and behavior. So go to your profile, and in the top right corner of your screen you see the three horizontal lines. This is the menu, and then go to TikTok Studio, open all your analytics and go to section viewers at the top of your screen. And if you scroll down here, you will see the section most active times, and this is basically the section when you can see when your viewers are most active, and this will be the real best time for you when you want to post. We have another video on our channel that is called how to analyze TikTok analytics, and if you're willing to gain some views or some another kind of success, if that makes sense, on TikTok, I highly recommend you to go and watch that video, because there I show how to launch this analytics tool. And also another thing, that you should post consistently on TikTok, so that means 3 to 5 times per week will be perfect. And also you can try experimenting with timing and then adjust based on what gets the most engagement. So that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.